Now let's keep walking, shall we? They got all kinds of stuff. They got Mexican food, they got everything. Another gangster car. Oh yeah, Mercury 51. That turned out to be just a gorgeous day to go looking at cars. It was real hot this week. Old school engine, huh? Oh
Trim number, body number, style number, paint number. You think the VIN is trying to get her?
Nice. Nice. Kind of cool. Bel Air.
Yeah.
Nice little convertible over here. Put the top down and go cruising.
Craft or Walmart's little Simply whatever.
Got food up in craft beer over there. So food over here. Over here, looking at the trucks. You can kind of tell way down there. See down there? It's bunches of them.
I don't think you guys seem to know it.
There's a nice wagon. That bad boy. He's got a nice shady spot right there. Can't find that Snow White one yet. Maybe it's over there by the grandstands. That's Plymouth. I don't know, there's something there. There's an unbelievable godly amounts of cars here, whatever the hell number on it, it's unbelievable. So, well, it's for sale, that car over there. But, see, this one is for sale over here. This one's kind of cool over here. This one, with a nice, that bad boy. Woo! That bad boy. An old V8. Big dogs. And you see something like this rust away in a field, it bums you out. Look at that yellow one over there. Oh my God. That bad boy over there. That. Get everything right in there. It's a 57 Chevy. I think this is an Impala. Yep. It's kind of like Snow White, but not like it. They have a lot of food out here. That's good to see. People out here chowing down, getting ready for the state fair. Is only a month and a half away, so might as well get it fired up now. Look at that, flour, onions. Oh, I don't know about that, but Fleet Master. There you go. Plymouth. Nice. mean, they just go and go and go. I'll go this way over here. It's non-stop skullduggery. Over here, here are all these people. That's a nice little vehicle. The Bel Air convertible. They got the top down. Everything's accessible. The old wagons, the old Dodge. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy over here. Nice. One hell of a car. What do you guys think about that one? GOPRO? 1959 Buick. Oh yeah. What do you guys think about that? Nice. So let's get over here. Oh, here we go. Unsafe at any speed, right? Classic. A lot of fear mongering on that vehicle. Look at that one. It is a 64 Chev. Not an SS, but I'd still take it. Love it. What do you guys think, huh? Nice.
Bye, guys.
Nice. Ha! Thumbs up, baby. Look at that. Nice. But like I said, it goes that way too as well. I'll probably go back the other way, but it's just non-stop skullduggery. I might try to sit down, relax a little bit. My legs are killing me. So, for sale, Bel Air 36.5. I don't know, 612. I can't read it, but who knows, guys. So, anyways, look at that bad boy over there. So, we'll end it here.